How to stop Chrome from blocking downloads. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the three dots over here on the top right, and then you're going to click on settings. In this area, you're going to look over here on the left side, you have privacy and security. Click on that and you should then be able to see here in this area, security. Click on the security and you will be able to see here we have safe browsing. This safe browsing is what is controlling your downloads. So typically it might be on enhanced protection and it will protect your device or your browsing from any downloads or random extensions that you're downloading. If you want to download a specific item, what I recommend that you do is to turn off or turn this protection off for the meantime, download the file, and after you have downloaded it, put it back on, because this will keep your device or your browsing safe and secure. After downloading what you want, you can just put it back and have your download or utilize your download however you want. So that's basically how you will be able to do it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.